Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because I'm announcing my giveaway winner. If you saw my last video, my prayer and manifestation video, I explained I reached 1,000 subscribers, and my thank you to my subscribers is to give them a $50 gift card. So I picked up the gift card today, and here is the gift card for the lucky winner. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you will know if you won the gift card or not. I have everyone's name here in this little cup. I did it the old school way. I wrote down everyone's name and folded it up so everyone's name is in here. So this is my giveaway cup that I'm going to use at the end of the video. So stay tuned so you'll know if you won or not. So I'm going to share with you these supplements. I am brand new to supplements. I'm usually just a protein powder type of person. I usually take a vitamin and protein powder after my workouts, but I'm learning about different supplements to use to help assist me in my fitness goals. So I'm just going to share that with you too in this video, some supplements that I got from One Up Nutrition. And this video is not sponsored. I am not a sponsor of theirs. I'm just sharing some products that I bought, some supplements from them that I'm really, really loving. I ordered their coconut ice cream whey protein powder. And normally I'll get a vegan or vegetarian protein powder, but you know, I'm not vegan. I try to eat a vegetarian dinner or vegetarian diet most of the time, but dairy doesn't really bother me. So to switch it up, I wanted to try this coconut ice cream protein powder. So I tried this and it's very, very good. It's really, really smooth and it tastes delicious. There's 25 grams of protein in here, 5.3 grams of BCAAs, and it tastes really good. So I tried, this is what I bought from them. They have a lot of different yummy flavors. They have like a banana caramel flavor. They have a French toast flavor. They have a lot of yummy flavors. I think there's a donut flavor. And it tastes, this right here tastes just like coconut ice cream. So it's really, really good. So I got their protein powder. They also sent me a bunch of samples. So these are the samples that they sent me. I thought that was really, really nice. They sent me like 4 samples. They were really, really generous with the samples. They sent me this blue raspberry lemonade BCAA, and they sent me a blue raspberry pre-workout, and they also sent me Beauty Dream. So the Beauty Dream this Beauty Dream is a fat burner, and I did try it. So what the Beauty Dream does is it's a sleep aid and a PM fat burner. So it helps you to kind of wind down at the end of your day, and also while you sleep, it's helping to burn fat. So it helps. So it says here, promotes relaxation, supports deep REM sleep, promotes fat loss while you sleep. So I did try this, and it says you're supposed to take it about 30 minutes before bed, and I did that, and it does kind of help you wind down. And I did have a good night's sleep that night. So this is their Beauty Dream fat burner. So that was the sample that they sent me. And then they also sent me the BCAAs. So this is, I ordered the BCAAs. This is the one that I ordered, the candy watermelon BCAAs. And if you've never tried BCAAs before, basically they help your muscles to recover. So it says here that this is a BCAA for her. This is the women's formula that they have. And this is a BCAA, glutamine, and collagen. So if you don't know what BCAAs are, BCAA stands for branch chain amino acids, and that helps to rebuild your muscle and to recover after your workouts. So the glutamine is what helps you to recover. So that is what the their BCAA formula does for you. And I really like it because I don't really drink juice unless it's a fresh juice that I made. I don't really buy like the juices in the bottle at the store. I'll make my own fruit juice. But with this, when I'm thirsty or want something sweet to drink, I'll just put it in my water and it feels like I'm drinking juice, but it's actually something to help with my muscles, to help with muscle recovery and everything. So that's what I've been really liking about the BCAA. And and I have this, another sample they sent me was their pre-workout. And I honestly was afraid to try the pre-workout because I know it's a stimulant. It's supposed to help get you pumped and ready to work out. And I never really feel like I need that. But I tried it. And it says here that their pre-workout helps with energy and focus, pump volumizer, performance, and endurance. So I tried it. This is the blue raspberry one. It tastes delicious. It tastes really, really good. But for me, I didn't really feel a difference with the pre-workout than how I normally feel. Like I didn't feel jittery, but I did feel like a tingling sensation in my fingertips. I'm not sure why, but I felt like a tingling sensation in my fingers. I didn't feel jittery or anything, but that was interesting. Everyone is different, so maybe that was just me, how my body responded to it, but I wasn't too crazy about the pre-workout. And another thing that I bought was a fat burner. I bought their Make Her Lean Max, and this is a fat burner. It says here that it helps to promote weight loss, promotes energy, mood, and focus, and helps promote appetite control. And it really does help with appetite control. It really does. I don't know what magic formula or natural herb. There's lots of natural herbs and things in here. You have to check out their website to look at everything. It says that it has a caffeine complex, dandelion whole plant extract, ginger root extract, white willow bark extract. So there's lots of interesting ingredients in here. That's not all of the ingredients, but this really does help with my appetite. I'll be sitting there. Normally, how my cravings go, I'll be thinking, man, I would love like a whole bag of Cheetos right now, or I would love like some warm baked cookies with ice cream, and I'll go get it and eat it and then feel terrible later. And then the next day or two, I'm trying to eat as best as I can. I'm working out a little bit more than normal. But with this, when I take these, I still have the cravings. I'll still think about it, but it's like the same thoughts. Man, I would love some Cheetos or chips right now, or something greasy and fried. And I'll think, I'm good. I don't need that right now. Sounds good, but I'm good. So it helps you to have a little bit more control over your cravings. So I love this. I'm very excited about this. And it's also a fat burner, so it helps to burn fat. So I'm really excited to try more of their products. I also ordered their L-carnitine, I think that's what it's called, L-carnitine, which also helps to promote fat loss and helps your metabolism. So I'm excited to try more of their products. Oh, and they also have a vegan line. I want to order that. That's the next thing I'm going to order from them. They have a vegan protein powder. I'm going to order their vegan protein powder. They have a vegan, I think it's red and green food. So it's a bunch of red fruits and vegetables and a bunch of green fruits and vegetables. And they put it into powder form, and you can just mix that up into your water to get your daily fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to order that. I ordered their L-carnitine, which is another fat loss supplement. So I'm just really excited to be learning about these different supplements. You know, you go into the health food store and you'll see all of these supplements and you're like, I don't know what that is or what it does. But their website is so easy to use. You can just go by shop by goal on their website, and then you can put fat loss or performance or endurance, and they have it, you know, sectioned off to where you can choose what your fitness goal is, and then they'll have all of the different products to help you with that goal. And then when you look at each product, they make it so simple to understand what the supplement does. So I really like that about their products and their website. It's just easy to use, and they explain everything so simple, so it doesn't make you afraid to try, you know. So I'm really excited about trying their supplements. I'm definitely going to be buying more. So just wanted to share that with you, my new supplements that I am trying. So let's get into my giveaway winner. I have everyone's name in the cup, and I'm going to shake it. I'm going to do it on camera with you. I'm going to shake it up. Oh man, I'm excited about this. Thank you guys for participating in my giveaway. I think I'm gonna do another one when my next milestone, I think 5,000. When I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'll do another giveaway. But here we go, shaking them up. Okay, gonna close my eyes. Uh-oh, shaking it up. Gonna close my eyes. All right, let's see who this is. And the winner is 3D printed engines. 3D printed engines. So yay! Congratulations, 3D printed engines. Congratulations to my $50 giveaway. I'll be reaching out to you very, very soon to find out how I can get your gift card to you. So congratulations, this is your $50 gift card. And to everyone that participated, thank you so much for participating and subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna do another giveaway once I reach 5,000 subscribers. So that's my next goal and milestone for my channel. So again, thanks so much guys for tuning into my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.